Hey TechCalling, welcome back to another quick tech review. Today we are unboxing and taking a first look at the TEKXDD 4K digital camera. This compact 48 megapixel Wi-Fi video camera is perfect for daily use and ideal for beginners looking to capture stunning photos and videos on the go. Let's dive right in. First up, let's see what comes in the box. The TEKXDD 4K digital camera package includes the camera itself, a stylish leather case, 2 batteries, a charging cable, and a user manual. The camera is lightweight and small enough to fit in your pocket, making it incredibly portable. Now on to the features. This camera boasts a 4K video recording capability and 48MP photography, thanks to its latest CMOS and chip technology. The images and videos are vibrant, crisp, and full of detail. It comes with a 3-inch HD screen for a clear and strong visual impact. One standout feature is the dual camera setup with a front autofocus lens and a rear camera with a 140-degree wide-angle lens. This setup allows for versatile shooting, whether you are taking selfies or capturing wide horizon. The 18x digital zoom helps you get up close and personal with your subject, and the autofocus function ensures your photos are sharp and in focus. Additionally, this camera features anti-shake DSP technology, 8 different filters, and 9 selectable photo scenes, making it easy to get creative with your shots. It also has a built-in flash for low-light photography and a Wi-Fi function that lets you transfer photos to your smart devices easily. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. So pros includes high resolution, 4K video and 48MP photos ensure excellent quality, its portability, its versatile shooting, user-friendly, and connectivity. While it has certain cons, which includes not for professionals, designed for beginners, limited low-light performance, battery life, build quality, app compatibility. Overall, my verdict, the TEKXDD 4K digital camera is fantastic choice for beginners and casual photographers. It's packed with features that make capturing high-quality photos and videos a breeze, all while being incredibly portable. For its price point, it offers great value and versatility, despite some limitations. That's it for today's quick review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. See you next time on TechCalling.